Did you know earthworms are considered as farmers' best friends? Yes, you heard it right. This video is all about our little friends and the essential roles they play in farming and our environment. We will explore how they improve soil aeration, enhance nutrient cycling, decompose organic matter, and so much more. These humble creatures are truly unsung heroes of our ecosystem, contributing to the overall stability and health of our planet. So let's delve into the reasons why these humble creatures are so important. Firstly, earthworms are the champions of soil aeration and nutrient cycling. Delving below the surface, these humble creatures construct intricate networks of burrows. These tunnels not only provide earthworms with a cozy home, but also serve as channels for air circulation, enhancing the breathability of the soil. This increased airflow provides a more conducive environment for root growth, enabling plants to anchor themselves firmly and reach out for necessary nutrients. But the role of earthworms doesn't stop there. They are also diligent recyclers. As they consume organic matter and tiny soil particles, a fascinating transformation takes place. The complex materials are broken down into simpler forms within their digestive systems. This process culminates in the release of critical nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These nutrients are made readily available for plants, providing them with a well-rounded diet for robust growth. Therefore, earthworms play an essential role in maintaining soil health and promoting plant growth. Secondly, earthworms help with organic matter decomposition and enhance water infiltration. Picture this: a tiny earthworm, a master decomposer, busy at work. It consumes dead plant material, breaking it down and transforming it into nutrient-dense humus. This humus not only improves soil structure, but also boosts its fertility. The humble earthworm doesn't stop there. As it burrows through the soil, it creates a network of channels. These aren't just any channels, they serve a very important purpose. They allow water to penetrate the soil more easily. This means that when it rains, water doesn't just run off the surface. Instead, it seeps into the soil, reaching the roots of plants and replenishing underground water reserves. By reducing surface runoff, earthworms help to prevent soil erosion, a major concern in many farming regions. So, besides being a farmer's friend, they are also little environmental heroes. In this way, earthworms contribute to soil fertility and water conservation. Thirdly, earthworms assist in pH regulation and stimulate microbial activity. Now you might wonder, how do these wiggly creatures regulate pH levels? Well, it's quite fascinating. As they burrow and feed, earthworms produce secretions that act as buffers against extreme pH values. This buffering activity helps maintain a stable, neutral pH environment that's just perfect for plant growth. But their role doesn't stop at pH regulation. These tiny invertebrates are also champions of microbial activity. As they digest organic matter and soil particles, they stimulate the growth of beneficial microorganisms. These microorganisms, in turn, play a vital role in breaking down complex organic compounds into simpler forms. This process, known as nutrient cycling, makes essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium more readily available for plants. Thus, earthworms help create a more suitable environment for plant growth. They truly are nature's little gardeners, tirelessly working beneath the surface to keep our soils healthy and fertile. Lastly, earthworms contribute to increased crop yield and support biodiversity. How so, you might wonder? Consider this. The improved soil structure, thanks to our little friends' tunneling habits, allows plant roots to grow deeper and stronger. This not only anchors the plants firmly, but also enables them to access water and nutrients that would otherwise be out of reach. Speaking of nutrients, earthworms are nature's finest recyclers. They feast on organic matter, transforming it into simpler forms that plants can easily consume. This nutrient cycling ensures that plants get a steady supply of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, the building blocks of healthy plant growth. And let's not forget water. Those earthworm-made channels are like underground highways for water, guiding it straight to the root zone. This reduces surface runoff and helps prevent soil erosion while ensuring that plants get the water they need right where they need it. But earthworms don't just help plants. They're a crucial part of the food chain, serving as a food source for various organisms like birds, insects, and small mammals. Their presence supports biodiversity, contributing to a balanced and thriving ecosystem. In conclusion, earthworms play a vital role in maintaining healthy and fertile soils, supporting plant growth, and contributing to overall ecosystem stability. So the next time you spot an earthworm, remember, it's a farmer's best friend.